I'm back inside this Heathkit unit here. I was just going to open it up. I decided not to film it, and unfortunately when I opened it, this wire here, one of the mains wires, broke off. So I guess I'm going to have to start by soldering that on before I even get to troubleshooting the... So my strategy for this one is going to be simply to probe back, since it's a simple circuit. So we're probing right on the output here, so I'm just going to start tracing back, and I'm going to probe pin 6 here on the NAND gate on IC4. Then I'll check what's coming in here, and just check this, and just keep working my way back until I find the signal. So there we go. As you can see, we're getting nothing coming out of it. I probed it the wrong way at first. I looked at the dot and didn't see that these have a notch as well. So 5 and 4 are supposed to be tied together with the input, and I can see it's just a constant high there. So next I'm going to check the base of Q17. If I can find it. There's 17 right there. And it looks like it's not giving any good output either. And so there's a signal going into the base now. Just going to adjust this a bit. So as you can see, it's roughly 60 Hertz. That transistor was kind of pushed down and it looked like the leads were shorted together. So all I did was actually physically pull up on the transistor and make sure that the all of the leads were separated. Now when I probe the inputs here going in, you can see that we've got that signal. Unfortunately, coming out, I'm not, unless I'm miscounting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is pin 6. That's supposed to be the output. Okay, so I don't see the markings here for the resistors. It looks like everything else is marked, but I pulled the chip since it's a open collector output. There's no pull-up, and it has an external pull-up resistor. So now there's nothing should be pulling that pin down, and I'm measuring it and I'm not getting anything going high on it. That guy right there is blown, so change that out, and I have a feeling that that will hopefully solve everything. So now that I've flipped the board over to go and desolder that resistor and change it, it turns out it's right underneath this cap here, so I'm gonna have to take it off, and it's there. I've just undid the one side and lifted it up. That should be the offending resistor poking through there. Okay, so there we go. That's hopefully all back together, and we should be working now. Flip this board back around. I've got it powered up now, and I've put the NAND gate back in. So now if I probe that that output pin there, you can see we've got, boom, 60 hertz, 5.16 volts. So that'd be, it's probably about what the 5-volt rail is running at. So I mean, we're bang on. That's exactly what it should be now. There we go. And I can, if I stick the probe directly down into the terminal block now. Alright, now that she's all together, just fire it up and probe that, and boom, there she is. So that was it. It turned out to be a really simple fix in the end. It was just one resistor and one transistor that was kind of scrunched down. So now that that's fixed, I guess the next question is what to do with this unit. I cleaned off the circuit that was on there, and it's all ready to go. So now I just need to dig out some parts, come up with a few ideas, and, well, I guess prototype up a few things. So that'll be sometime in the future. Till then, see you next time.